Learn to participate in a conversation with minimal effort, even if you haven't got a clue what they're talking about. The only thing you need to do is to listen out for the verb at the start of each sentence. At least you will give the impression you are interested or that you know what they're talking about, and that you're actively engaging in the conversation. So here is another piece of gossip, Gobaireachd, to practice with. First, listen to the text. Chunig mi ben Chaluim Fásat de mi sa chai. Charok allemaal. Vai collery ein. Chef more haun. Fágat santai sheensje. Chanish mishe dat. This was just a monologue. It shows complete disinterest from the other person present. Let's turn this around and make this in something a bit more engaging. Listen for the verbs, and then listen to the question that follows and the response. Chunig mi ben Chaluim fachke, did you? Chunig, yes. Fásat de mi sa chai. And do fás, did they? Fás, yes they did. Charok allemaal. Nachro. Charo. He wasn't there. Vai collery ein. Ro. Va. Or remember from the last time, you can double up your yes and no answers. Va. That emphasizes it a wee bit more. Shefer more haun. And yeah. She. Or she. Fágat santai sheensje. And the fog. Fog. Oh, chanish mi dat. Narish. Chanish. So I won't be telling Chaluim that his wife was kissing another man in the pub. And that is a simple exercise to practice your verb tenses with.